Mahirap nang humabol. Eh sabi nga nila baka magja-jogging ka daw kaya nagpahuli ka.
Awan manon karote ko pag lugaran may so ano agawid kami to aglugan ti manong saryon kung namin. Magkabinte kita. Madami nagrugitan. Magkamilang tanga to ano. Kung namin lang baka kapura kaya. Thank you.
Maybe it's still worth stealing. I guess that life's an open road. I'll keep on driving, I'll keep on
lamig yung hangin, nakikisama yung panahon ganda. Sitio Pakalbaw.
In your presence and in your honor.
I've heard the talk on the town. They say you're alone now. They say that you ain't sound. But I don't believe any of that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I think there's a treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy or true.
Pinakamagandang gumagawa ng kamote donut. Kaya bili na kayo pagdadaan kayo dito sa Maliko, Nueva Vizcaya. Hanapin nyo na. Anong pangalan mo? Kayla. Hanapin nyo si Kayla. Ayan pinakamaganda.
Maganda.
Bayan, hindi bayan.
Kamote donut.
Kayla, kaya mga boy pizza pa dito donut mo. Layunang lang ng tarpaulin. Kamote donut for kamote riders ko na paduta riders.
You can have without having to sin. But I must admit to having such a motives up my sleeve. But I think that the treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy of trust.
Sinabali na. Kurana di ba isa dyan? Jay, kurana di ba isa na. Sinabali na patalikod di ba isa.